guys, welcome back. I'm in a huge rush. Okay, so welcome back to Clean, Repair and Organise Wednesdays. This fridge is going, guys, so we are quickly having to prepare it to go. We're getting ourselves a new fridge, so that's getting delivered today. We're all very excited. It's one of those get now, pay later type of deals. So we're all gonna chip in and get that paid off. But it's on its way. I've not had the chance to take this off. I don't know how that's gonna go. But we need to clean this out and defrost it real quick, guys. So I'm gonna put you on top of it right here. I have this. I'm going to put some hot water in it. This is the old school way, guys. Old school. All you old schoolers with your old school fridges knows this. Luckily, let's put that in there, close the door. Luckily, we're getting a non-frost, so I hopefully will not have to actually be doing this again. Hopefully. Right, so I'm gonna start taking everything out of the fridge. Let's just clean this off a little bit. Right, so I'm gonna start taking things out of the fridge, guys. Got some cheese randomly stuffed behind the medication. Very odd, but okay. Luckily, we barely have any shopping, guys. So I'm gonna
take all the stuff out of the Swiffer and put it in my room. For now, so that they can get the fridge in now.
Yeah. Okay.
I need to use the Swiffer for my room anyway.
Oh, that box needs to be just thrown outside. You should get Kai to just run down with that. Alright, Nicole, if I need you to kind of be quicker. Hey guys.
What? I'm thinking. I just think I'm going into the gym. You see? I'm not even working out yet. Chill.
It's basically just like your mind.
So guys, I'm gonna give the inside of the fridge a quick wipe. Nothing much because it's not really dirty like that. As I said, I cleaned this fridge not long ago, so it's not in a bad condition. The good thing about it is they're going to recycle. Oops, wasting water. They're going to recycle this. So hopefully it goes to another home. Maybe like a single person or something like that will enjoy having it, because it's not a bad fridge, it's just too small. It's in good working order. Let me put you guys here. gonna give it a quick wipe.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck.
Right guys, so the problem I'm having, guys, is I need to take that down, and I've just not long ago put it up, but I have to take it down, and I don't want it to destroy the wall. And what I put with it, it shouldn't destroy the wall, but it might destroy the wall. Do you see what I mean? Anyway, we put all the food substance together. Hello?
My hairdryer.
I don't know if that really works. I've got to research that again and see how they do it exactly. Well, I haven't got time to do that then. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see if I can do that after the fridge has been installed, guys, because I can't actually. Here it is, and the fridge is here. Door, someone please. And the fridge is not defrosted. What?
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Sorry, it's about the older one, not the younger one, by the way. Anyway, we can't switch it on for 4 hours, he said.
Yeah, because it has to sit. But should we take the...
We can take off all of the sticky stuff.
He's gonna smudge it with it.
I was filming.
She heard me.
He's filming with the fridge as well. We're like, oh, we can keep this up as well.
No.
You need to move it up a bit.
No,
Yeah, I feel like we
move
could
it.
move it up.
What is that though?
Is there something stuck? Kai, is there something?
What?
I know, we've got an actual proper...
It's that fridge. We don't have a little mini fridge that you put in like a.
Kylan, you know we haven't had a big fridge like this since...
Starstone.
Yeah, can you believe that, Kai?
It's so good.
Since Starstone, Kai.
It's so good.
Past my stool,
How long until we have
Like
to
this.
use, how long until we can use it?
4 hours. You've got to leave it switched off for 4 hours. Hi guys, so I'm back. As you see, we have the new fridge right here. Yeah, as you saw in the first clip, we was trying to work out how to work the water dispenser. We've got a roundabout way of using that, but we'll see. Yeah, it's nice and big, very spacious, and the freezer as well. It's also, let me show you, it's also a non-frost, guys. Here's the freezer. And there's the water dispenser that we're trying to still figure out. And then this is all we have, guys. I need to do a big shop, so look out for that. This was not an option. We didn't feel like buying this fridge was a huge option. It was also a way of us being able to buy a lot more options as far as food and so on and so forth, so that I can just do a normal regular shop. As you've seen, guys, our fridge before was about this height, so we've gained quite a lot of space, and yeah, we're happy with it. Anyway, that's the fridge, and that's that, guys. Please be on the lookout for, I know I have a big spot here, guys. Please be on the lookout for I'm going back to clean with me's, guys, but I need to dye this hair. So I need to dye my hair. I'll do that tomorrow, so I'll resume clean with me again with the bathroom next. So these are just to fill in the gaps for now. You would have seen Kylan's sort of TV stand that we built, and you would have seen the kitchen by now, I think. Yeah, so this is just the next one, and after that we're going to go back into cleaning. But the next place is the bathroom, and I really have to dye these greys before I can do the bathroom. Or actually what I could do today, I could actually do the hallway. No, the hallway is going to take me some time because that includes going into the cupboards and straightening out a little here and there. So maybe not the hallway. I still have to do my workout, guys. I haven't even done my workout today. I've been doing great with that. Actually, I've been doing my workout every day. But the fridge came early, so earlier than expected. So we had to quickly make a quick decision because I thought I could just wake up, defrost the fridge, take my time, you know, film it for you guys, and then they will be here in a couple of hours. But we was just chilling, hanging out, and next minute Dominique was on the phone saying, oh, in 20 minutes, okay, we'll see you then. And so we had to try and defrost it, which we didn't even defrost it in the end. But anyway, we have a new fridge freezer, and that's what counts. And that means that our shopping can be a lot, I can buy a lot more in bulk as well, so that we can save a little if we buy a little bit more bulk items. I'm hoping we'd be able to save. Obviously you can't save bulk items refrigerated because, you know, the sell by date and so on, but it will help basically, you know what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna go, guys, because I need to go and do my workout, and I'm not filming it for you guys today. I'm gonna go and do my workout, and then I'm gonna decide whether or not I have the energy to start filming some of the hallway. No point in doing the bathroom until I've dyed my hair. Okay, so that's it, guys. Stay safe, be safe, and of course, peace. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.